Okay, today we're going to do titles, headings and a TOC or table of contents. Starting from my unformatted document, I first of all am going to do the titles. So on the keyboard hit F11 to bring up the styles and formatting pane. Under headings, expand. Okay. In the document, select the title and then double click in the styles and formatting title. In the document, select subtitle. In the styles pane, double click subtitle. Okay, now we're going to do the headings. So select each heading in turn and then double click the corresponding heading in the styles pane. And there we are, done. Headings are now sorted. What I'm now going to do is we're going to set the headings so they are actually numbered. So if you select a heading and from the toolbar choose the numbering options, choose more numbering, and under numbering type, under outline, select the numeric with all sublevels and OK. As you can see, all the headings are now labelled 1, 2, 3. Subheadings are in this instance 2.1 and sub-subs are 2.1.1, 2.1.2, etc. Finally, the table of contents. Place the cursor where you want the table of contents. From the menu, choose Insert, Table of Contents and Index, Table of Contents, Index or Bibliography. Make sure you're on the Table of Contents tab. Choose the number of levels which you want to appear in the Table of Contents. I've only got 3 in my document, so I'm going to include all of them, so up to 10. And then just click on OK. You will see that the table of contents now reflects all of the headings, including all the numbering and page numbers. Should we insert a new heading, so I'm going to change this heading to test heading, and then I'm going to insert a new heading in here. And then select the heading style. So we now have a new heading within our document which is not yet in the table of contents. So if we click within the table of contents, right click and update. And now we have our new heading and our test heading.